I'm just bored. Oh, I know what I want. I want a Fidget cube. Let's see. I don't know Daddy's credit card number, but I'll just guess. I'll just guess it. Oh, it's correct. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what half a dozen numbers are. I don't even know if they're numbers. Let's see. Fidget 6-sided shape. And it was gonna come today in 30 minutes. I don't even know how long 30 minutes is. So that's stupid.
Hey, sweetie. Are you up to no good?
No, I'm up to good.
Aw, do you want to make something with me?
Sure.
What do you want to make?
Hey,
What?
have you been up to no good, son?
No, he's been doing fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
'Cause last time he was like...
I said he was doing fine.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just fine, Daddy.
Yeah, he's fine. He said he's done nothing bad today.
Yeah. Like, steal my tablet and...
What?
something.
He didn't steal your tablet.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't steal nothing.
He didn't order anything. I think he's too young to. Right.
Yeah, I'm only 2.
You don't know. He doesn't know your debit card.
Yeah, I don't know anything. I don't even know what 1 plus 2 is.
But you do know something. You know your words.
Yeah. I don't know. Shame. All right. No. So,
Okay, do you want to make something? Or, hey, I already made some slime.
Yeah, slime.
But there's just a little bit of it. And it's yellow. Is it your favorite color, yellow?
Wait a minute. He is not going to play with slime.
Yes, he
deserve
is.
It.
Yes, he does. He
Remember
hasn't done anything bad.
Yesterday, do you remember what he did?
I know. But he doesn't have anything bad today. And he hasn't had that much fun with me since he was 1.
I'm 10. You know that, Daddy.
You can stop now.
Okay.
You know. Wait, we need a little grown-up talk to go. Okay, you know that he's been doing good. Can you please go in the other room, sweetie? Can you please go in the other room? Okay. You know that he's been doing good today.
Yeah, but that's just today.
Yeah, today. And
Yesterday, he was horrible.
yesterday, not today. That's a pass. I'm just going to go get the slime.
Fine. I'll see you later, I guess.
Sheep, I have the slime. Come in. I have slime, see? Touch it.
Oh, it feels so good.
I'm going to let it out. Help me. I don't think the slime got out. Here, I'll just try to peel it out. Oh, I have it out.
Ooh.
Touch it. Ooh! It's so fun, isn't it?
I know, right?
It's so slimy, though.
It could go good in my mouth.
No, you're not putting this in your mouth, or I'll put it away right now.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
Well, I just want to play with it.
Okay. Here.
Okay.
See you later.
See you later. Ooh, it feels so good. I'm going to see Facebook's latest post. Justin Bieber said, I hate all my fans. Of course you do. You've hated him since 2000. I wonder who that could be. I guess I have to... Let's open the door.
Hi.
Hello?
Here's your 6-sided fidget cube.
Okay.
You ordered it.
A
Okay,
fidget
bye.
cube? I didn't order a fidget
Bye.
cube. Okay. It's weird. Now, what is this? Let's see how much it cost. What the heck? $500? I knew that guy was up to something wrong. Sheep, come here. Yes, Daddy? You ordered a $500 fidget cube. $500? It takes me a week of work to get that much. I didn't buy anything. You know what? I'll go check right now. No, you have to check something out. Oh yeah, he bought something. He bought something. I told you.
Let's open it then.
I told you. Oh, you're okay with it?
Oh,
You're okay? You're okay with
it could make him concentrate.
Oh my God.
Makes
You
me
don't
happy.
understand how much that cost.
No, I don't. Here.
$500? You don't even care about $500?
Oh, and sheep. I bought you something. This is a little stress reliever when you stress up Daddy.
Okay. Let me get that too.
Try it.
But you're just letting him slide by with my $500.
Yes. There's no way we can return it. We bought it online. We can't return it online. And we don't know where the heck this store got those fidget toys from. Now stop yelling to me.
He should get a punishment.
Stop yelling.
I guess girls are always right.
I am. Just let him slide by, and then maybe he won't. Soon, days later, he'll forget about it, and we could return it.
Maybe. Unless he does something stupid with it.
Yeah, because he always is stupid.
Did I just hear stupid?
You're not stupid.
Yeah,
You're so cute.
You're like the stupidest person on earth.
No, he's not.
Now
Stop.
just get out.
Stop. Apologize.
Sorry, sheep.
Come here. Sheep.
Oh my God.
You're not in trouble.
What up?
Daddy wants to apologize to you for his yelling and saying you're stupid, but you're not.
I
Apologize.
I apologize.
Say it louder.
I apologize.
Say it louder. I can't hear you.
I apologize.
Okay.
Well, I guess I'll just go.
And you heard me, didn't you?
Yes.
Now leave us alone and go to the bedroom.
Yeah, I'll enjoy my fidget toy.
Hey, what are you going to do with it? What are you going to use it for?
Play with it.
Okay.
So, bye.
Don't do anything stupid with it. Don't
Okay.
first of all, don't microwave it because it costs $500.
Microwave it? Oh, she said microwave it. Okay, I'll do that.
Did you hear me? Do not microwave it first.
Yeah, I got
Do
you.
not break it.
Yeah, I
Do
got
not throw it on the ground really hard.
I got you.
And do not eat it.
I got you.
Okay, bye.
Right. Huh. Now, she said microwave it, right? So I'm going to get my fidget cube, put it in the bowl, and I'm just going to put it in the microwave. It actually should show. I just have to open the microwave. Then gotta put the bowl in there. Right there. And it should be good to go. I'm just gonna put 2 minutes. And I'm gonna start. Yay, it's done. Let's open it and let's see what happened. Now let's see what happened. What? That's slime! It's so slimy now. No. My fidget cube gone. I'll turn into slime. Daddy, Mommy! Oh, what do you want now, you troublemaker? My fidget cube turned into slime. Wait, what? That $500 turned into slime? $500? Oh my gosh! Why? Why would you do that?
Hi, honey. Why are you so... What is that?
I know, right? I just
What is that?
I microwaved the fidget cube.
What the heck? The first thing I said was do not microwave it.
But you said
I'm
to
just gonna
microwave
take it
it.
out.
You said microwave it.
I said do not microwave
Oh
it.
my gosh, you guys never believe me.
Never. Because we see what we see and we believe what we see.
Bye.
Okay, bye, stupid. I'm playing with this.
You actually like it?
Yeah, I'm
I
glad.
hate it. I want my fidget cube back.
Well, you don't get any back. Well, unless it'll turn like magic when I flip it over. I'm going to make it back into a fidget cube, okay?
Okay.
Watch. Say a magic word.
Abracadabra.
You didn't even have it. Who goes, ta-da! If you microwave it, again, I won't be able to do the magic trick, okay?
So, I'm gonna microwave it again, she says. Yes, I love microwaving stuff. Okay, I got it.
Did you hear me? I
Yes,
said
I did.
do not. Don't put it ever in the microwave again. Or
Okay.
if you do, I'll have to...
Okay.
Shh. If I do, I'll have to put a lock on it so you won't go in again, okay?
Bye.
If you do.